We're so excited to be partnering with you in your community, and we understand the struggles that you face when management companies change. So today we're going to make it really easy for you to log into your portal for the first time and help guide you through your information. So let's get started. You received a letter giving you your account number and your portal key, and it's going to tell you to go to portal.accuinc.com to log in for the first time. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button called Sign Up, so click that and fill out your information. You'll add your account number, create a new password, confirm your password, and add that registration key that was on your letter. Click Sign Up, and this will log you into your portal for the first time. If you don't have your registration key, that's all right. Click I don't have a portal key or account number, and it'll allow you to refill out the information by your property address and association. That way, we'll get notified to help you set up your account without your portal key. Hopefully this video has made it simple and easy for you to log in for the first time and access your information. If you have any trouble, please reach out to us. You can always email support@accuinc.com or give us a call 303-733-1121.